Sandeep. Am I audible, guys? Everyone? Okay. Okay. My voice is low. Is it? Everybody, my voice is low? Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Let's just wait for a few more minutes so that everybody can join. And then we will start our session. So let me just share my screen. Yep. My screen is visible, right, everyone? Okay. 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 Let's wait for a few more minutes so that everybody can join. Will you please send me the link of the hands-on project one more time? Yeah, okay. This is the hands-on that we are performing. So, okay. Mm. Yeah, so the four more questions are left. So we will complete that today. And if the time was left, we will start our oops. Okay? Yeah. Okay, guys, I hope everybody has joined the session. Okay, so let's start now. So, yes, guys, everybody's clear till this question 12 that we have studied in our last session. Yes, what about others? Everybody's clear? Anybody, any doubt in this question? Yes, guys, tell me, everyone. Anybody, any doubt in this question or not? Yes, guys, everyone. Tell me, guys, everyone, are you clear with this question? No clear, ma'am. Okay, Chirag. Okay, so see here what we are doing. Okay, okay. I think Chirag is not clear. Like here, we have to create a list for the first 50 even natural numbers. Okay, and we have to perform the following operations on that. Okay, I mean clear everything. Okay, guys. So if you are clear with this question, so we can move on to our next question. So let's open the PDF first. Okay, yeah. Yeah. So 12th question is done. Yeah, from 13 we have to continue. So this is the 13th question, guys. And let me just copy this question first. Okay. Yeah. So this is the question, guys. Yeah. So here what we have to do, we have to create a nested dictionary, okay, and have to perform the following operations. Okay. Now what is the operation? Return a list with the key value pairs from the dictionary. Return a list with just keys from the dictionary and return the first and the last key value from the dictionary and update the last key value pair in the dictionary after removing in the third step. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to create a nested dictionary and you have to perform the following operation, whatever it is saying. Okay, guys? Clear or not? I think everybody knows that how to create a nested dictionary. Yes, everyone? Okay, so I'm giving you all few minutes. Okay, everybody perform this function and let me know. After that, I will do it for you. Okay, so I'm giving you all 10 minutes. Okay, after that, I will tell you how to do this question. Okay, everyone, try this question first. Yes, try this question. Yes, correct, Chuddi. Yes, everybody, are you doing the question right? Yes, everyone? Stuck in the J part. Okay, let's wait. What about others? Everybody, are you doing the question? No issue, Pranav. Just see what I'm doing. Try to understand the question. Okay. Don't need to perform. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Shantip. Okay, Kiran, where is your code? Yeah, Subdeep. Okay, guys. I hope everybody has done the questions. Yes. Now let's see our question, guys. Okay. So first, what we have to do, we have to create a nested dictionary. Okay. So let's just create a nested dictionary first. Okay. Subdeep has already given us the nested dictionary. So let me just copy the. Okay, guys. So see, this is our dictionary. We have created a nested dictionary. Inside that we have a key. Okay. Inside that we have another dictionary. So this is dictionary under dictionary. That is our nested dictionary. Okay. Yes, guys. So this is our dictionary, guys. So let me just print it. I print. Right. Yeah. So this is my nested dictionary, everyone. Okay. So this is my nested dictionary. Okay. So now, what is the first question, guys? Now, what is the first question that we have to perform? Okay. Now, first question is showing return a list with the key value pairs from the dictionary. Okay. So we have to return the list with the key value pairs. Okay. Whatever the key and the values are there in our nested dictionary. So we have to return that values in a list. Okay. In a list, guys. Okay. So, how do we get the key value pairs, guys? What is the function? What is the method which returns the key value pairs from the dictionary, guys? Tell me, everyone. Yes. What about others? What about others? What is the method that we use to get the key value pairs together from the dictionary? Yes, guys, I have already told you about this. Correct? Items? Yes or not, everyone? Items function we use. Yes. So let's get our key value. Okay, let's say key value we want to get from our nested dictionary, guys. Okay. So we will use nested dictionary. So we will use dot items. Yes or not, guys? Dot items. That is a function from which we get key and value. Yes. From which we get key and value pairs. Yes. So now what we have to do, we have to return a list. So simply what I can do, I can convert this into a list. Yes or not, guys? Yes or not, yes, everyone? Tell me. Yes. And simply I can print this. Okay, simple. Why list? Because we have to return a list. Return a list. Can you please share the nested dictionary use? Yeah, okay. I'm sharing. Just a second. Yeah, this is the dictionary. Okay. So now, guys, what we have to do, we have to return a list with the key value pairs from the dictionary. So how do we get the key value pair from the dictionary? Like that, guys, correct? Nested dictionary dot items. Yes, dot items. So we get our key and the value, guys. Now what we have to do, we have to return a list. So simply I'm converting it into a list. Yes. Yes or not, guys? Clear? Clear till this part or not, everyone? Okay. So now simply I can print this key value. So we will get our all keys and the values together. Keys and the values together by using the items. Okay. Clear or not? Clear till this question, guys? Yes, everyone? So this is your, so let me just comment the question here. So this is your this question, okay? That we have to return a list from the dictionary. Yeah, good morning. Okay, guys. Now the second question is return a list with just the keys from the dictionary. Okay, with just the keys from the dictionary. Okay. Now what is the method, guys? What is the method to get the keys from our dictionary? Yes, everyone tell me. Yeah, keys. Correct. Correct, guys. Keys is the function where from where we get our keys, guys. Correct. So simply what I can do, I want keys. Yeah, correct, Chirag. Okay. Keys, let's say keys list. So what I want, I'll simply use nested dictionary dot keys. Yes, dot keys is the function. Yes, guys. Dot keys is the function. Now we have to return a list. So simply what I can do, I can just convert it into the list. Yes, yes, guys. So now when I print my keys list, so you will get the keys. Yes, clear or not, everyone? Clear till this part or not? Everyone tell me. Anybody any doubt? Okay. Now what is our next question, guys? What we have to remove the first and the last key value from the dictionary. Okay. What we have to do? We have to remove the first and the last key value from the dictionary. Okay. So remove the first and the last key value from the dictionary. Now what is the function that we use to remove, guys? That we use to remove. Yes, guys, tell me, everyone. Pop, correct? Pop. So we can simply use the pop function to remove our. Now first what we have to do, we have to get our first key and the last key. Yes or not, guys? We have to get our first key. Now what is our first key, guys? How do we get our first key? Yes. Now let's say, how do we get our keys, guys? Like how do we get our keys? Like nested dot keys. Yes, guys. This is the function that we get our keys. Yes or not, guys? Okay. Yes or not? We have created a list of this. Yes or not, guys? Like this. Created a list. Now, if we want our first element from the list, guys, if we want our first element from the list, then what will be the index, guys? What will be the index? Yes, guys, tell me, everyone, what will be the index? Zeroth, correct or not? Get the first element. Yes, guys, tell me. To get the first element, my index will be 0. Yes. So this is the first key. So we will get our first key from here. So we have to simply remove it. We have to simply remove it, guys. So the function that we use to remove is pop. So what we can do, nested dot pop, guys. Now what we have to pop? First key. Yes. First key we have to pop. Yes, guys. Clear or not? Clear? Yes. Now what we have to get? Now what we have to get? We have to get the last key also. Simple. So same with the last key also, guys. Last key. So how do we get our last key? Same, nested dict, that is our dictionary. We will get all the keys. Okay. We will get all the keys. Okay. Yeah, correct. So we will get all the keys. We will simply write it in the list. Now, how do we get the last element from the list, everyone? How do we get the last element from the list? What will be the index, guys? -1. Yes, everyone, -1. Correct. Now what we can do, we can simply pop it. We can simply pop this. Okay. So we will pop our last key from this. Like this. Okay. Yes. So we have removed our first and the last key. Yes or not, guys? Okay. So now we can print our dictionary. Okay. Now we simply print our dictionary. Nested dict. Okay. So we have left with only one key. Yes, ma'am. Can you clear between pop and pop item? Basically pop is used to delete your items, right? Okay. Pop is used to delete your items. Like here we are deleting your items, correct? Okay. So pop basically remove the item with the specified key. Okay. Whatever the key name you will give, okay, it will delete that item. Okay. So in pop, we will like when we are using pop function, we will write our key name here. Okay. Whatever the key we want to delete. Okay. Whatever the key we want to delete. Now pop item basically like it removes the last inserted key value pair. Okay. Whatever the key value pair we have inserted in the last, that we will delete. Okay. Okay. So Deep. Yeah. So in pop, what we will do in pop, whatever the item, whatever the key we want to delete, okay, that we will write here. Like where we are using nested dictionary dot pop, and here I'm passing the first key that I want to delete. Okay. Now what pop item does? Now what pop item does? It will remove your already created a key only list. Why not deleting from that? You already created a key only list. Yeah, you can delete it from that also. Okay, you can delete it from that also, Shubdeep, like by using this key list. Okay, yeah. Yes, everybody clear till this part. So we have left only with our one key after removing these two. Okay, yes, guys, everyone clear or not? Clear till this part? Anybody, any doubt in this? You can tell me now. Now, what we have to do, guys? Now, what we have to do was just have to simply update the last key value pair in the dictionary after removing in the third step. So we have left with only one key value pair. So we have to update it. Okay. What we have to do, we have to update this. Yes. Now, guys, what you will do, guys, everyone, tell me now in this what you will do. Yes. Now let's see whatever the keys we are left. Okay. So how do we get our remaining key? Yes, everyone. Remaining key. How do we get this? Like we can get it like list. Now my dictionary is nested dict. Okay, nested dict. That is my dictionary. Yes or not, guys? Okay. Now if I get the keys. Okay. Now first key will be only one key we have left. Okay. So whenever we are printing our remaining key. Okay. Remaining key, that is this. Yes or not, guys? Yes or not? Now I want to change it. Okay, now I want to change it. So how do we update our values, guys? How do we update our values in the dictionary? By using the key. Correct or not? By using the key, guys. Yes. So what we can do, we can write here nested dict. That is our dictionary, guys. Okay, that is our dictionary. And this remaining key that we have, okay, remaining key, that is Java we have. Okay, yes. So now we can just simply change its value, guys. Okay, now what we can do, we can simply change its value. Okay, just check the name. Yeah. Okay, so now what we can do, we can simply change the value. Okay, now what we can pass here, let's say in the type we can pass here something like let's say whatever, we can pass simply here name. Okay, simply here name, and then whatever the name will be like this. Okay, so we will pass here. Okay, let's say Shubdeep, we can pass anything, whatever you want to change, guys, you can pass it like this. Okay, and in the level we can simply pass here age, and we can pass here the value, let's say 24. Okay, let me just check it. Cannot assign to function call here, maybe you mean Okay, sorry, we are calling our dictionary, so we have to change the brackets. We are calling our keys. Yeah. Yes, guys. So now if I print my dictionary, like that is my nested dict, guys. Okay. So now you will see my values are updated. My values are updated, guys. Yes. Okay. Yeah, because we have only first key, because we have left with only one key, see, okay. We have left with only one key. So by putting here 0, we will get only that key. Okay. We will get only our that key. Yes. Yes, guys, clear or not? Yes, everyone tell me. Yes. Okay. So everybody done with the question? I think instead of use 0, we need to use -1. See, Shubdeep, you will get the last key value pair here. See here in our dictionary, we will left with only one value, right or not? We will left only with one value. That is why we are using 0. If you have any other key value, okay, if you have any other key value, you have to use -1. Okay, you have to use -1. Okay, why we are using with this value, because we have only one one value is left. Okay, yeah, correct. If there are many key value left in your dictionary, you can use -1 to get the last key value pair. Okay. Yes, clear. Yeah. So if you have more than one keys, here we have only one key left, so we can use 0 here. If you have more keys, okay, if you have more keys, so you will write here -1. Okay. Sorry, don't mind, I did not understand the question. Arif, what we are doing, okay? Yeah, okay. See, what we are doing here, we have to create a nested dictionary and perform the following operations. Okay. So, Arif, are you clear with the questions or any part here, or with the whole question? Okay. For J. Okay. Remove the first and the last key value from this. Okay. So, how do we get the keys? Okay. How do we get the keys? Arif, what is the function in the dictionary to get our keys? We use dot keys function. Yes. Correct. We use the dot keys function. Yes. So here what I'm doing to first, I'm getting my first key. Okay. I'm getting my first key. Okay. So this is the function that we use to get all the keys. Okay. Get all the keys. So what we are doing by using this function, we get all our keys. Now we are converting this into a list. Okay. Now we are converting this into a list, and from the list, to get the first element, what will be the index? Okay. What will be the index? 0. Correct or not? 0. Yes. So here we will pass our 0 index to get the first element. Okay. So we will get our first key. Now what we have to do, we have to simply remove it. So we will use the pop function. We will use the pop function to remove it. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Now simple, same with the last key also. So if you want to get the last key, you will write here -1. Correct. You will write here -1. So simply we will get the last key and we will remove it. Okay. Now coming to C, C, what you don't understand. Okay. Here. Okay. So now what we have to do, we have to update the last key value pair, guys, in the dictionary. So after removing here, we have removed our two keys. Now we are left only with our one key. Yes, this is the key that we are left with. Okay. Now we have to update the values. Okay. Now we have to update the values. So what I'm doing here, remaining key, basically I'm getting the keys which are left. Okay. Here I'm just getting the keys which are left. Okay. So in the remaining key, we will get our, like, this is the function to get all the keys. Correct. Correct. See, this is the function to get all the keys. Now I'm converting this into a list. Okay. Now to get our last element, we use -1, guys. Correct. To get the last element, we use -1. But here we can see that here we are left with only one key. So here we are left with only one key. So we can write here 0 also. Correct? We can write here 0 because we are left only with our one key. So whatever the first value will be, that is our last value also. Yes or not, guys? Yes, Seep? Yes? So we will write here 0, okay? Can you please show if we need to add more key value in Java? Sorry, what you're trying to say, Shubdeep? In the key Java, yeah, correct. This is our key. So you want to, there are two key value pairs, correct? These are the two key value pairs in our Java, okay? Now what? I want to add more. How to do that? So you can simply write it here, okay? You can simply write it here, okay? You want to add more keys, okay? You remove the first and the last key value, okay? You want to add more key values pair in your dictionary, okay? In your dictionary. So you can add it, okay? You can add it. But I don't know. I do not want to delete the previous ones. See, here if you add more key value pairs, okay, here if you add more key values pair, it will show you, or let's say here if I add something like a city, okay, if I add something like here city, and let's say here I will add Bangalore. So if you run this, see, but below should also be present when we are updating. Oh, sorry, Seep, what you are trying to say? Yes or not? Yeah. Type programming name Seep. Yeah, correct. Now, what is your query, Seep? Yeah, it has replaced it. Yeah, correct. Because we want to update the values. Okay. Update means replace. We want to update it. Okay. We want to update it. Yes. Yeah. No, Arif, pop item, what pop item does, it just removes your last iteration. Okay. It just removes your last item. So what this pop item does, it just removes the last iterated. Okay. Whatever the last values that you are entering, like key value pairs, whatever the last key value pair you have entered, it will remove that. Okay. The recent one. So this is in the syntax is fine with J. Which you have used, like nested dictionary dot pop item. This is the syntax for pop item is correct, but here we have to remove the first and the last key only. Okay, here we have to remove the first and the last key. Okay, so here we have to use pop to get to write our key here. Okay, to write our key here. Clear or not, Arif? Too much advanced for me. Sorry, what is advanced? Let me just understand. Like here, what we are doing, we are just removing our first and the last key value, right? First and the last key value. So here, first we will getting our first key. If you get the first key, then only you will remove it. Then only you will remove it. Okay. Why this is not? Sorry, why this is not? See, pop item, what pop item does, you are using a pop. See, why here we have to get the first and the last key. Okay. Now whatever the last items you have inserted in your list, that you get only with the pop item. Okay. So in pop, we will write our key. Okay. In pop, what we will do, Yeah, correct. Remove the last inserted key value pair. So whatever you have inserted in the last, that we will remove by using the pop item. But here we want to remove the first and the last key value from the dictionary. Okay. So that's why we are using here pop. So to get our first and the last key value, to remove it. Okay. So by using the pop item, it will only remove the last inserted key value pair, not the first. Okay. Not the first. Okay, Arif? Yeah, so that's why we are using here pop. Okay, that's why we are using here pop. Okay, yes, everyone, are you clear with this question? Yes, guys, tell me, everyone, clear with this question or not? Yes, what about others? What about others? Okay, now we can move on to our next question if everybody is clear. So, this is our next question. Okay, this is our next question. So, yeah. Okay, guys. Okay, so now, guys, this is the question that we have. Okay, this is the question that we have, guys. So, what you have to do? Okay, okay, Arif, just a second. I'm telling you. Okay, you have given us strings like A is equals to this and B is equals to this. You have to perform the following operations in this. Okay, you have to perform the following operations in this. Okay, everybody clear? You have given us strings, two strings you have given. You have to perform the following operations in the strings. Okay, so I'm giving you all 10 minutes. Everybody try this question. Okay, try this question and give me the answers. Yes. Okay, now coming to RF, nested dictionary.pop, next iter, nested dictionary. See, basically iter means basically what you are doing, it returns an iterator. Okay, it's return an iterator. Example, here you are using iter nested dictionary. Okay, what it returns basically iterator over your keys. Okay, it will iterate through your keys. Okay, it will iterate through your keys. Okay, so if you are using this, if you are using, let's say you have two keys. Okay, let's say you have two keys. So first it will get your you will get the first key. Okay, you will get the first key whatever you have entered in your dictionary. Okay, whatever you have entered in your dictionary. Okay, so you are using this next dot iterate nested dictionary. Now what it does, it gives you the first key. Okay, it gives you the first key here. Okay, teach me with J. So see, simply what you can do here, simply I am telling you the simplest way, Arif, to do this question. I am telling you the simplest way to do this question. Okay, this is the simplest way. Okay, so you can use this. Okay, you can use this question. So here you are just removing the first key value pair from our dictionary by using your code. Okay, your code like nested dictionary.pop next iter nested dictionary. What you are doing, you are removing the first element. Okay, you are removing the first element from here. Okay, you are removing the first element from here. Okay, and by using the pop item, you will get the last key also. You will get the last key, but this is the simplest way I'm showing you. So understand this. Okay, understand this. The like what I'm doing here, like remove the first and the last key value from the dictionary. So what I'm doing, I'm just getting my first key. Okay, getting my first key here, like this is my dictionary, this is my dictionary, and to get all my keys I will use nested dictionary dot keys. Okay, this is how you will get your first this is how you will get the keys, all the keys in your dictionary, correct or not? Like by using this function only you will get all the keys, correct or not? Yes, Arif. Now what I'm doing, I'm just converting it into a list. Okay, list. Now you will get the list of all the keys present here. Now you will get the list of all the keys present here. Now what I want only first key. I want only first key. So if I have a list, I want the first element. What I will do, I will pass 0. So I'm simply passing here 0. Okay. Now I will get my first key. Now what I have to do? I have to remove it. Remove the first key. So what I'm doing? Nested dictionary dot pop. Here I'm first key. Here I'm adding my first key and I'm deleting it. Okay. So this is how I can simply remove my key. This is how I can simply remove my key. Okay. Now here what I'm doing. Now here what I'm doing. Again, this will get all my keys. I'm putting it into a list. Now to get the last element, what we will do, we will use -1, correct or not? To get the last element from the list, what we will do, we will use the -1, correct? So here we will get the last key. Here we will get the last key. Okay. So we will removing it. That I understood. Okay. Okay. So what you don't understand, Arif? Tell me. But you are calling keys. I want to check without calling keys. Yeah, because we are calling. So you can simply do it. Okay. So you can simply, here we have used the key list, correct? Here we have already created a list of keys. So by using that only, you can simply remove it. Okay. You can simply remove it. Like you can write key list 0. So you will get the first key. Okay. And you can simply remove it. So you don't have to use this first key and the last key also. So you can do it that way also. Yeah. Okay. So we have already created the list. So by using this key list also, you can remove the first and the last element. Okay. You don't need to call it. Okay. Now, yes, everybody try this question. Okay, Arif. Now try this question. Okay, Sudhir, let me just check your code. I have not checked it. Okay, correct. Correct. Yeah, correct. Yes, Sudhir, you are correct. Yes, no issue. I did not listen to the RS questions as I was solving the 14 questions. Can you please No, he was just saying that whether we can use without this first key and the last key. Okay, so we can simply use it by using this key list, what you are saying, Sudeep. So that's what he want to understand. Okay, like without doing this step, we can remove it. Okay. Yeah. Okay, good everyone. Okay, I hope everybody has done the question, as I got so many responses also. So let's do this question, guys. Okay, so we have given our two strings. So this is my first string. Yes. So this is my first string, guys. Okay, like A. This is my first string, everyone. Yes. Now this is my second string, guys. So let me just write it here. So this is my second string. Yeah. So this is my first string, guys, and this is my second string. Let me just print this, like print A and print B. So we are getting our two strings. Now what we have to do, guys? Tell me if I am right or wrong. Yeah, correct. Correct, Shubdeep. Okay. Now what we are doing, guys, here we have two strings, like we are printing A and we are printing B. Okay. So this is our two strings. Now what I want, guys, this is my first operation, like using indexing operation, get the text gram from my string A. Okay. So from my string A, I want this part. Okay. I want this part. So how can we get that, guys? Okay, how can we get that? Okay, so let's say this is my string. Okay, A is my string. Okay, so from A I want, yeah, correct, I will use the slicing, guys, correct. So to get gram, okay, we want to get the gram substring, okay, from our string gram. So how we can get that? So first we have to get the index of G, guys. So what is the index of G, everyone? What is the index of G? Correct. Yes. So tell me. Gram substring, okay, from our string gram. So how we can get that? So first we have to get the index of G, guys. So what is the index of G, everyone? What is the index of G? Correct. Yes. So tell me, guys, what is the index of G? What is the index of G? Correct. 10. 10 is the index of G. Yes. Now I want to go till M. Okay, I want to go till M. What is the index of M, guys? What is the index of M? 14. Is it 14? 13? Correct. So index of M is 13. Now what we will do? At the end, we will add plus 1. Yes, add plus 1. So 13 plus 1, that is our 14. Yes, guys, that is our 14. So if I print this, we will get our gram. Correct. So here we can see we will get the gram from our strings. Clear? Clear, everyone? So here we will get our gram. Yes. Now what is the second question, guys? Now what is the second question? Same. We have to perform the indexing operations, and what we have to do. Sorry, can you please explain how 14 comes? Yeah, Sanil, let's just a second. I'm explaining you. See, here what we are doing, we have to perform indexing operation. We have to get the text gram. Okay. Now the index of G is 10, correct? So we will starting from 10. Okay. We will starting from 10. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to get M. Okay. So what is the index of M? Can you tell me? What is the index of M, Sanil? What is the index of M? 13, correct? Now you have seen in slicing that we have to add the ending index plus 1. Ending index plus 1, correct or not? Ending index plus 1. So that's why we are using 13 plus 1, that is 14. Okay, 13 plus 1. So we are using 13 plus 1. Ending index plus 1, correct or not? So 13 plus 1. So that's why we will get gram. That's how we will get our gram, correct? Yes, Sanil, clear or not? Yeah. Okay. Now what we have to do, guys, using indexing operations, we have to get the text world. Okay. Yeah, including space. Yeah, correct. In Python, what we have, whatever the space we have, it is also considered as a string. Okay. Whatever the space it has, it is also considered as a string. So it also has index. Okay. Okay, guys, clear? Yes. Okay. Now using indexing operation, we have to get the world from our string. From the string B, we have to get world, guys. So simply B, from B I want. Okay. Now what will be the indexing? Everyone tell me yes. Okay. 12, 16 plus 1. Okay. Let me write the Lavanya slicing. Okay. 16 plus 1. See, guys. Correct? Yes. Clear or not? Like, what is the index of W? 12, correct? Yes. Yeah, you can use that also, Chirag. -5. Like, you can perform the negative slicing also. So you can write it like this also. -5 like this. Okay. So same by same doing, you will get the same output. Okay. Yes, clear or not, everyone? Like the index of W is 12. Now the index of D is 16. Now we are adding plus 1 here. Okay, we are adding plus 1 here. Okay, yes. Now change the letters in both strings to uppercase letter. Okay, to uppercase letter. Now what is the function? I have already told you, guys. Okay, that what is the function to get the elements in our uppercase? Yes, Upper function, yes, correct or not, guys? That's upper function use. Ma'am, what is the meaning of 16 plus 1? See, what we are doing, here, let's say in slicing, what we will do, we will pass the starting index, ending index plus 1 we will pass. Yes, Priyanka? We will pass ending index plus 1. So you can simply write here 14 also. I'm just trying to understand you that we will pass here our ending index plus 1. Okay, ending index plus 1, so that we will get our last element. Okay, we will get our last element. That's why we are using plus 1. Okay, because in slicing we will pass our starting index and ending index plus 1. Whatever the ending value we want, we will add the plus 1 from there. Okay, so that's why I'm using it. Now what we have to do, we have to change the letter in both strings to upper cases. So simply upper function a dot upper, guys, we can use. See, simple. Same with the b also, we can use b dot upper. So yes, so this is how we can convert our strings into an upper cases. Clear, everyone? Yes. Now what we have to do, we have to concatenate the two string. Okay, like we have to merge it. Sorry. Yeah, correct. So what we have to do, we have to concatenate the two strings. What is the error, Arif? For upper. Beauty method upper string object. Sorry, can you give me the code what you have written? Now guys, what we want, ma'am, I received the odd name that GLMA. What I have done. Okay, yeah, this is correct, Sunny. This is correct. Yeah, this is correct also, Arif. Are you printing A upper? A underscore upper? That is what you are printing, Arif? Yeah, correct. Then why it is giving you C is equals to C? You are upper case. So see, first the function will be upper. Okay, the function will be upper, not uppercase, and you are printing. So you are just taking the substring. So you will get only the gram in your C. Okay, gram in your C. So if you do C dot upper, sorry, not uppercase, upper only, then you will get this gram in the capital letters. Okay, then you will get the gram in the capital letters. So first correct your function, that is not uppercase, that is upper. Okay. Arif, why you are not getting this error? I'm not able to understand. Because your function is correct, your code is correct. I think you have built-in method upper of string object at index this. Okay. Have you created any other string in this code or in this file, Arif? You're storing it in this. Okay, you're storing it in this, correct? But it should be like that. Okay, you can simply print it, you will get the string. There is no issue if you're using that. Okay, there is no issue, the code is correct. Yeah, that is coming, but that should also come. Yeah, the code you have written is correct. With this also same error. See, no, not that, Sudhi, not that, Sudhi. Yeah, it is printing same. Yeah, I think there's, you can run all. Yes, I'm getting error. Can you just run it again, right? You can use this runtime and run all. Can you do this, Seep and Arif both? Can you all do this? Ma'am, for the world, I'm getting the correct output, but for the gram, I'm getting GLA. Okay. Can you do this? Like run all. A dot upper is working, but not for grams. Can you give me the code? Can I copy it here? Like this is your code, correct? Yeah, correct. This is your code. Let's see, everyone. This is the code. Yeah. Okay. So this is the code. Okay. Best in the world. Let me just check. This is correct. C and D. None type object has attribute upper. See, you are getting the substring in this. Okay. You are getting the substring in this. Okay. Yes. Correct. You are getting the substring and you are assigning the print in a C. Correct. Correct. So what you are doing, you can simply do, you have to do like simply what you can do. C. So you will get your substring in the C. Okay. You will get the substring in your C. Now here you can simply print your C like this. Now if you will do this, now if you do same with this D also you can do. Okay. Sorry, you have used the capital C. C. Now you will get this. Okay, Seep. No, ma'am, same result. Can you try this? Can you try this code? Can you try this code? Yeah, print method doesn't return string. So you have used the print method and you're storing it in the C. Okay, you are storing it in the C. So try this question. Try this code. Then I think your issue will be resolved. Okay. Yeah, correct. You can't assign a print in a variable. You are using the print here and you are assigning it into a C. You are assigning it into C. That is not possible. Okay. So first you can get the string, you can get the substring, you can store it in the C and then you can simply print your C. Okay. Yeah, correct. Okay. Okay, see now guys concatenate the two strings. So what will be the code? Yeah. Concatenate the two string. Now what will be the code, guys? Yes. Simply what I want, guys. What I want, let's say I want the concat string. Okay, concat string. And what I want A plus I can use, guys, plus I can use. Okay. So here I can use this and I'm adding here my B. Correct or not, guys? Correct or not? I'm giving some space and I'm adding my B. Yes, I am adding here my B. So now if I print this simply, print concat string, now you will get both the string. Python programming language and best in the world. Correct or not, guys? Correct or not? So to concatenate our two string, we use this sign. Okay. To concatenate our two strings, we use plus. Okay. Yes, clear, everyone? Clear or not? Clear with this question or not, everyone? Clear with this question or not? Anybody any doubt in this? Yes. Yeah, you can use that for the uppercase. If you want this in the uppercase value, so you can use concat string dot upper. Okay. Clear everyone? So we can move on to our next question, guys. Yes. Yes, everyone? Okay. Okay. Now this is the 15th question. Okay. 15th question. So try this question, everyone. So what we have to do, we have to create a list with n numbers. Okay. We have to create a list with n numbers, and using negative indexing, what you have to return the list, that is start from the fifth index. That is start from the fifth index, and that will go till 9 minus n minus 2th index. Okay, guys, means n minus 2th index. So the last second value that you have to get. Okay, I think that everyone can do that. So I'm giving you all few minutes. Okay, I'm giving you all few minutes. Okay, try this question. Is it loop? No, simply what you have to do, Arif, you have to simply create a list with n numbers. Okay, with n numbers. Whether you can use ask the user for the numbers also, and or if you want to create, you can use the range function. Okay, simply. Now what you have to do, you have to simply perform the slicing, correct? Like you have to get the fifth index to that. Okay, so you have to simply perform the slicing. Yes. So I'm giving you all a few minutes. Try this question, everyone. Correct, Shubdeep. I got this error when I run the query shared by you. Okay, Sanil. None type object has no attribute upper. Here again using d is equals to print. Can you just check that I have shared you this code? I'm sharing you again. Can you run this? Yes, see. No, Shubdeep. You can simply take the values from the user, or you can write it in the range function simply. You can do that. Or you can use the loop also. Okay, sorry, last question. 16th, you are trying to say, everyone. Okay. We will see that question. Okay, we will see that question. First, let me just everyone complete this question. Okay, then we will get to that. Get this correct output. Can you please let me know why it is not coming first? Because you are using d is equals to print here. What you are using C here, you are assigning, like here you are using print and then this. So you are assigning the print value in your variables. You can't do that. Okay. If you want to print it, you can simply write it like this. So you don't have to assign it to a variable. Okay. If you want to assign it to a variable, so you can just assign the substring only, like this. You can assign, and if you want to print the value, you can simply write here print D. Okay. Okay, Sunil? Yeah. Did not understand the question, madam. Arif, what you have to do? See, you have to simply create a list with n numbers. Okay. You have to create the list with n numbers. Okay. So whether you can ask the user to enter the number of numbers, enter the number of terms or numbers he wants to add in your list. Okay. So you have to create the list with n numbers. You decide whatever the numbers will be, and you have to just slice it. You have to just slice it so that you can get the fifth index. So from the fifth index to n minus 2th index, you will have to get the values. Okay. You will have to get the values. N25. Okay. Yeah, correct. So you are just printing the list. Now you have to just perform the slicing here to get the fifth value from the fifth index to n minus 2th index. Okay. Is the last answer correct, madam? Which answer should be? Yes, yes, correct. That is the last question, I think. That I did not get. What you don't get, Arif? See, what you have to do, you have to simply perform the slicing. Okay, you have to simply perform the slicing to get the element from fifth to n minus 2th index. Yeah, correct. Like whatever will be the fifth index of your list. Okay, till n minus 2th. Now, what will be the n minus 2th basically? Like whatever the numbers, like you have 10 elements. Okay, let's suppose you have 10 elements. Okay, so now from fifth to 10 elements means from fifth to eighth, and minus 2 means from fifth to eighth. Okay. Yeah, correct. From fifth to eighth. Okay, clear, Arif? Yeah. Now your n will be 25. Okay. Now your n is 25. So whatever the will be the fifth index, like from, yeah, correct, 6 to not 23. Yeah, correct, from 6 to 23, or sorry, from fifth to 23. Okay, because your fifth index will be, if you have started with 0, then it should be I think 0 fourth. The fifth index should be your fourth value. Okay, you have started with 1. So your value at the fifth index will be 5th. Okay, fifth means 5. So from 5 to 23. Fifth index will be your 5 from 5 to 23. Okay, Arif? Yes, guys, clear or not? So let's try this question. Yeah. So now what we have to do, we have to create a list with n numbers. So we can ask the user for that also. Like n is equals to int input. I can simply write enter the number of element. Okay. Now here, what I can do, now here, what I have to do, I have to create a list, guys. Okay. I have to create a list. So my list will be simply, I can write list and here I can pass my range should be with n. Correct or not? Yes, guys. Correct or not? My range would be like this. Okay. Yes. Now what I have to do, I have to slice it like I want my index, I want my list. If I print my list, okay. So if I print my list, whatever the number user will return, okay, whatever the number user will return, that I will get. Let's say if I print my list, guys, okay. So I want 10 elements, guys, okay. I want 10 elements. So this will be my list like this. Okay. This will be my list, guys. Okay. Yes. Now what I want to do, I want slicing, guys. I will do the slicing like from list. I want my element from fifth, okay, from fifth to the last -2. Correct or not, guys? Correct or not? Yes. Doing same, but it shows type error, list object is not callable. See, you have to store it like if you do this, okay, if you do this like this, see 10 elements I want, so I'm getting 5 6 7. Correct or not? I'm getting 5 6 7, guys. Yes or not? Because if I entered 10 elements, guys, so whatever the value, whatever the value, if I print this also, so if I print this, guys, see, I have write 10 elements. Now this is my list, guys. I want from fifth element. Now what is the fifth index, guys? What will be the fifth index? It is just going through your element, okay. This range is iterating through your n numbers, whatever the numbers you will write here, so it will print through this, okay. If you write here 10, okay, in this range, if you write 10, so it will go till 10, okay. The range function, you know, the range function will start from 0. Correct or not? The range function by default it starts from 0. Yes. Yes or not? And it goes till n minus 1. N minus 1. Yes or not, Shubdi? It will go till n minus 1. So if I write 10, it will go through 9. N minus 1 means 10 minus 1, that is 9. Correct or not? Yeah, correct. It is inserting from 0 to n by its own. And whatever the number, whatever the element you will try write here, like here, if I am write 10, so it will go till 0 to n minus 1, that is your 9. Okay. That is your 9. Okay. There is some problem with my file. I opened a new file and it is working there. Yeah, it happens, Deep. Okay. You can use this runtime and run all. I think that will also resolve your query. Okay. Yes, guys, clear or not? Clear or not? How I am getting this? How I am getting this? Like using, like I want element from my fifth to n minus 2. So if I write it here, so if I write another number like 25, if I write, yes. So see, this is my list. Okay. So from fifth 22, I am getting. Okay. From fifth to 22, why not 23? Because it will go till n minus 1. It will go till n minus 1. Yes, clear or not, everyone? It will go till n minus 1. Like here, I'm getting till 24. Yes or not, guys? I'm getting till 24 because I have write the number of element 25. So I will get till 24. Now if I want from 5th to n minus 2, so I will get these values from 5th to 22. Yes, okay. Speed up, madam. Okay. Okay, guys. It's clear? I think everybody is clear with this question. Yes. So we can move on to our last question, guys. Okay, we can move on to our last question. Okay. wait. Okay, that is the problem, Sudhir, because we have to go with the everybody's concern. Okay, minus 2 will not be 23. Sorry, see what you're trying to say. Okay, guys, I'm those who are done with the 15th question. Those who are done with the 15th question, you can try this question. Okay, you can try this question. Okay, everybody, those who are done with the 15th question, try this question. Okay, I'm giving you all few minutes. Everybody, try this question. I'm coming to you, see just a second. Okay. Yes, try this question, everyone. Okay. You said it is 22. See, yeah, correct. See, I am writing here, enter the number of element. Okay. Number of element in my list will be 25th. Okay. 25th. Okay. Now, for once, I'm just commenting this. Okay. For once, I'm just commenting this. Okay. So, if you print this, okay, just a second. See, so if you run this again, if you write it here and if you print this, see, you are getting, I think I have to run it again. If I write 25th, okay, see, this will be my list, see, correct or not, this will be my list. So from 0 to 24. Now I want from the fifth index. So what will be the fifth index here? Like this will be your one first index, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, yes or not? Yes or not? Correct. Now I want from fifth to minus 2 means the last element, it will be the sixth element. It will be the sixth element. What see? See, if you now if you do this, now if you do this like this, see, you are getting from fifth to minus, sorry, 22, because here, like here, I'm getting 24. So what will be the n minus 2th index? N minus 2 means 25 minus 2. From starting, just answering your question. Yeah, okay. See. Okay. So here, what I will get, like 24 minus 2, n minus 2 will be 24 minus 2, correct or not? See, yes. So here, that's why I'm getting 22. That's why I'm getting 22. Please give break of 5 minutes after last question, then start. Okay, yes, Sudeep. Okay. The list length should be 19. Okay, sorry. I think Sudhi, you're talking about the 16th question, yes? See, what you have to create a list with number from 5 to 100, okay? And the number of elements should be exactly 19. Means the number of elements or the length should be 19, correct? Okay? Numbers from 5 to 100 or difference between each number is 5. No. You have to get the numbers from 5 to 100, okay? 5 to 100, not the difference. Okay? Okay, Sudhir? Yeah, you have to get the numbers from 5 to 100, like 5, 6, 7, 8, like till 100. Okay, not the difference. Yeah, correct. Okay, Seep, are you clear with the question, with the query or not? Okay, now try the last part, everyone. The number should be exactly 90 means the between the number from 5 to 100, the length of the list will be 19. Okay, the total number of elements in the list will be 19. Okay. Not okay, sorry. What, Arif? Yeah, correct. Total 19 element. Sorry guys. Okay, you have to use the range function. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to create a list with numbers ranging from 5 to 100, and the number of elements should be exactly 19. Okay guys, the number of elements should be exactly 19. Okay, exactly 19. Now in the range function we have seen the starts and the step, guys, correct or not? In this range function we have seen the starting index, the ending index, and the sorry, and the step, guys, correct or not? Step. Yes guys. Yes. So here what I can do, like I have to create my list. Let's say li, I will give my list name. Okay, this will be my list. Okay, now here I will pass the range function, guys. Okay, like list, and here I can pass my range function. Now in range function I can pass my starting index, like from 5 I want, and from 100 I want. Okay guys, now to get the 19 elements, right, like from 5 to 100, to get the 19 element, exact 19 elements, so we have to give the step here 5. Yes or not, guys? How this 5 comes, I'll show you. Okay, how this 5 will come. Okay, if I print my list, okay, if I print my list, you will see the exact 19 elements from 5 to 100. Okay, exact 19 elements from 5 to 100. Okay, so you can count it, or you can just simply write here print length of my list. Okay, length of my list, so you will get 19. Yes or not, guys? Yes or not? Now how we will arrange that? We will get a step that we want it to fifth. Okay, now how we will get this fifth? Okay, how we will get this fifth? Okay, let's say, yeah, let's say guys, I'll show you. Let's say guys, I will show you. Just a second. Like I want 19 element, correct guys? I want 19 element from 5 to 100. Yes or not, guys? Like from 5 to 100, I want total 19 element, guys. Okay. So this is my fifth, guys. Okay. This is my 5. Okay. Let's say. And this is my 100, everyone. This is my 100. Okay. So between these two, I want total 19 elements. Yes or not, guys? So total 19 elements I want from this to this. Yes, everyone? Yes. So there should be, let's say, this will be one element is correct. So total I want 19, like this. 2, let's say this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, guys, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 100 should be 19. Correct or not, guys? Okay. Now, what is the number of dots that we want from 5 to 100? Yes, guys, tell me, everyone. From 5 to 100, what is the number of dots? This is normal AP. Sorry, Shubdeep. Yeah, correct. So from 5th to 100, okay, from 5th to 100, guys, I want 19 elements. So how many dots I want, guys? Correct, clear? Tell me, everyone, like what will be the step count? I want to get the step because we will correct with the range. We want to get the step value. We want to get the step values. Yes, everyone? Correct or not? Correct or not? So let's say my step will be from ending to starting. I will like this end minus start. Yes or not, guys? My step will be end minus start. Yes, and it should be divided by whatever the count value will be. Okay. Yeah, correct, Chirag. That we will get. Okay. Like count value will be count and -1. Yes or not, guys? That will be my step. That will be my step or not. Yes, everyone. Tell me, everyone. Yes, guys. Okay. Now let's say what is my end? What is my end value, guys? Tell me. What is my end value? What is my end value? Everyone tell me. Like what is my end value here? 100? Yes, everyone, 100 is my end value. Now 100 minus 5. Yes or not, guys? 100 minus 5. Now what is will be the count? Means whatever the total value that we have. Yes or not, guys? 19. 19 is the count or not? Yes, everyone, 19, because I want total 19 values. Yes or not, guys? So 19 minus 1. Now, if you divide this, what will the value we will get? Like 100 minus 5, that will be 95 or not? Yes, everyone, 95, and 95 divided by 18. So when you do this, guys, when you do this, what will be the value? What will be the value? If you do this, guys, tell me what will be the value. It will be around 5.2 something. Yes or not? 5.2 something. Yes. But in range function, you will not take the float values. Yes or not, guys? In range function, you will not take the float values. Yes. So what we can do here by using this division, we can use the float division. Yes or not, guys? We can use the float division. So we will get our step as 5. So we will get the step as 5. Yes or not, guys? We will get the step as 5. Yes or not? Yes? Clear? So this is how my step will be 5. This is how my step I will get is 5. So what I can do, I can simply write here my starting index, my ending index, and the number of elements I want is my fifth. Okay, the step I want is my fifth. So here I am printing this. I am getting exactly 19 elements, from 5 to 100. Okay, from 5th to 100, I get exactly 19 elements. Clear or not, everyone? Yes. Yes, what about others? Everybody? Yeah, correct should be 5.277, something like that value. Okay. Yes, everybody. So clear or not, everyone tell me. Okay. Yeah, you can use that, Sudhir. Okay. Now, can you explain again, please? Okay, Srinivasa, see what I am doing. I want create a list with and sorry. I want to use the range function and I have to create a list with number ranging from 5 to 100, and between 5 to 100 I want only 19 elements. Okay, I want only 19 elements. So in range function we have three types, like we have step, starting index, ending index, and step. Yes, and step. So my starting will be 5 and my ending will be 100. Yes, clear till this part or not, Srinivasa? Yes. Yes, now I have to decide my step. Okay, I have to decide my step. Like if I here I have write fifth. Now how I get this fifth? Like here you can see I want element from 5 to 100. Okay, from 5 to 100. So I have to calculate this step. So end minus start. What will be the end and what will be the start? Okay, so here I have end like this 500. Correct, my end value is 100. My starting value is fifth. Correct or not? My starting value is fifth. Yes, my starting value is fifth, and here this is my count minus 1. Okay, so my count is 19 and I am just subtracting it my minus 1. Okay, so this is the formula basically. So they get the step size. Okay, to get the step size. Okay, Srinivasa. Okay, so now from my 100 minus 5, if I do, that will get 95. Okay, that we will get 95, and 19 minus 1, that is 18. So I will get the values in my float like 5 point something, 5.2 or something. Okay, but in my range function, float values are not. Okay, float values are not allowed in my range function. So I am passing here fifth. Okay, I am passing here fifth. Okay, I am passing here fifth. Okay, okay, clear? Srinivas, clear or not? Okay. Okay, guys, now I think you guys want break. Yes, everyone, tell me. Do you guys want break now? Tell me, everyone. Can we do it with length? I have 15 only. I have 15 only, sorry. Yeah, we have only 15 minutes, guys. But I think should be because we have to start our new concept, that is oops, guys. Okay, this is done. Like your hands on is done, guys. Okay, so now we have to move to our oops part, guys. Okay, oops part. So are you guys want me to start this oops part today? Like we have only 15 minutes left, or do you guys want me to start it with tomorrow with a fresh? Yeah, can we start new concept? Yeah, okay. Yes, guys, tell me, everyone. Not today, tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow. Okay, guys, so everyone is saying tomorrow. So tomorrow we will start our oops part. Okay, guys. Okay. So can I give you some more questions, guys? Okay, as we have 15 minutes left. So can you do more questions? Everyone, tell me. If you guys want, I can give you the more question. I can give you more questions so that, yeah, correct, Kiran. You can do that. Okay. Okay. Yes, everyone, tell me. Tell me, everyone, that how to do, ma'am. Like, see, simply you want like length is less than or equals to 19. So you can use this in your for loop. Okay, you can use this in your for loop. Okay, Nested list to flatten. What you're trying to say, Sudhir? What you're trying to say? Can you show explain that, madam? Which code, Sudhir, would you want to explain? Yes, tell me. Which code you want me to explain, everyone? See, guys, simply if you want length, you can use this also. Like here, let's say I'll use my empty list. Okay, I will use my empty list here. Okay, this will be my empty list, guys. Okay, now my I value will be 5. Okay, because I want to go, my step size will be 5. Okay, my step size will be 5. So what I can use, I can use the loop here, guys. Okay, I can use the loop here. Let's say while my length of list will be, okay, my length of list will be less than 19, guys. Okay, if my length of list will be 19, okay, then what I can do, I can append it. Okay, I can append it, guys. Okay, I can append my list. Okay, yes, sorry, not list, I can append my I. Okay, I can append my I, and then what I will do, I will add my I will 5, because I want my step size will be 5. Correct, my step size will be 5. If I print my list now, guys, now if I print my list here, if I print my list here, guys, see, you will get the exact 19 elements using this length function. You can also do that. Okay, Kiran. Okay, Kiran. Are you clear or not? Yes. Tell me. Yes. Convert nested list to flattened list. What you want to this, Sudhir? You want this code like convert nested list to flattened list? You can iterate it, or you can use the loop for that if you want. Like simply what you can do, okay, simply what you can do, like you have created a nested list. Okay, so what you can do, you can just create a sub list for that. Okay, so and you can just run the loop like items, whatever the items in your list will be. Okay, so for a sub list in this nested list, you can use the loop. Okay, you can use the loop. There are so many functions like in NumPy. Okay, when you create a list in a NumPy, you have the flatten function there. Okay, we will, when we will move to our NumPy, we have a flatten function. Okay, so whatever the array there will be, whatever the array there will be, like whatever the whatever the size, like 2 cross 3, 3 cross 4, whatever the size we have in that array, we can convert that into a 1D array. Okay, using that flatten function, we have that flatten method in there. So you can use that also. What you can do, you can just create a list, okay, or NumPy array. You can convert that array into a list, and in that array, you can use the flatten method. Okay, Sudhir, you can use that flatten method. Yes, everyone. Can I give you one more question? Everyone, today noted whatever we have covered, or you guys want me to stop here? Like everyone, tell me. Yes, if you want, I can give you one more question. Simple question only. Okay. Yes, guys, tell me. Give. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. So, what I can give you? Let's say, okay, everyone is saying yes. Okay. Like, simple question I can give you, like, take a input, okay, from the user, guys. Okay, take input from the user and print, let's say, sorry, print all the even numbers. Okay, even numbers using, let's say you have to create using the function, you have to create even function, you have to create. Okay, okay, and the range should be, should be from 0 and whatever the input that you have used. Okay, whatever the input that you have used. Okay, so this is the question. I think it will not take more than 2 minutes, guys. So try this question, everyone. Okay, try this question. Yes, guys, everyone, just give me the answers so that we will confirm that yes, we are done with our basics part and we can move on to our OOPS concept. Okay. Yes, everyone, give me the answers. I think this is the simple code. You all can do this, I think. Everyone, give me the answers. I want the answers from everyone. Okay, Shubdeep. Okay. Yes, about everyone. What about others? Give me the answers, everyone. Simple even numbers function you have to create. You have to create a simple even function. You have to create, everyone, simply. Correct. Okay, Soumya, good. What about others? I got only two response. Do we need to use def even just confirming? Yes, because you have to create a function, Sanil. Yes, everyone. I want the answers from everyone. Yes, guys, what about others? Is my answers wrong? Sorry, let me just check. Yeah, you have to use the function. Okay, you're using the range. You're using the step function. Okay, you can do this with a function also, Subdeep. Can you do this with the functions also? I just want that everybody is clear with the logic or not. Okay. If you are clear with the logic, you can use this. You can make this function using the function also or whatever. I just want to see everybody's clear with the logic or not. Okay. Okay. Good. Swaroop, Keith. Yeah. Correct. Seep. What about others, guys? What about others? I think there are total 40 students approx. What about others, everyone? Yes, guys, everyone. Okay, Kalesh. Okay, Shubdeep, let me just check. Yeah, you can use that. Clear, correct. Okay, Pushpendra, I got. Satish, good. Okay, everyone. Yes, I think everybody has done the question. Anybody, any doubt in this question? Anybody, any doubt in this question? Do you guys want me to do this question or everybody's clear? Everybody's clear about this question. Yes, guys, tell me, everyone. I think everyone can do this question. Please do it. Okay, Anupama. Okay. See, guys, what I want to take the input from the user. Okay. First, we have to define the function with even. So I can simply define a function like that is even function. Okay. Here, what I want, I'll use num. That num I will take from the user. Okay. That num I will take from the user. Okay. Let's say I have created my num that will take the input from the user. Like input, I'll write enter the number. Okay. Now here I'll define my function even that will take the number. Now what I want, I'll just write for I in range, guys. Okay. For I in range, what I can pass here, like from 1 and number plus 1, guys, correct? Num plus 1 till I want to go till my number, so I will write here num plus 1, yes or not, guys. Now I will simply check if my I percent 2 will be equal 0, yes or not, guys. This is the code to check for the even number, yes or not, guys. This is the code. Yeah, you can use that also, Shubdeep. Okay, this is the code, guys, to check whether my number is even or not. Yes, guys, tell me. So simply I will print my I. Okay, simply I will print my I. Yes, yes, everyone. Tell me yes or not. Yes, so here I can simply print whatever the even numbers are. Okay, even numbers I can simply print here. Whatever the even numbers are. Okay, now I can simply call the function, right? Yes, guys. So if I print this, like enter the number, like from where I want, let's say I will write here 20. Okay, so see, even numbers from 20 till 20, it is giving me the even numbers only. Till 20, it is giving me the even numbers. Clear or not, everyone? Yes, yes, Anupama? Yes, okay. Okay, guys, let me just share you this file to everybody. Okay, I think everybody is clear with the basics part. Okay, so tomorrow we will move on to our OOPS concept, guys. Okay, OOPS concept. Yes, everyone. Anybody, any doubt till here? Yes, guys, tell me. Anybody, any doubt till here? Yes, whatever we have studied in our basics part, everybody, any doubt in that? Yes, guys, tell me, everyone. Okay. What about others? What about others? Okay, guys. So if you are clear, so tomorrow we will move on to our OOPS concept, everyone. Okay. Tomorrow we will see our OOPS concept. Okay. So till here, if everybody is clear, okay. So we are done with today's session. So tomorrow we will see our OOPS part. Okay. So those who don't have any doubt, they can leave the meeting. Okay. They can leave the meeting. And if anybody has any doubt, you can tell me now. Okay. If anybody has any doubt, guys. Yeah, bye, Arif. No, Swaroop, I don't know Kannada. Yes, everybody is clear. I hope the session was clear to you all, everyone. Okay. So if you don't have any doubt, I'm ending this meeting now. Okay. So we will meet tomorrow with our new concept. Okay. Okay, guys. Bye. Have a good day, everyone. Yeah. Yeah. Bye, Sudeep. Bye, Priyanka. Okay, guys. I'm ending this meeting now. Have a good day.